meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, Saturday's the first day of astronomical summer, and it's really going to start to feel like summer this week. As a matter of fact, today, after we dropped down the 50s this morning, a big jump in the readings up to the mid-80s this afternoon. We'll be around 72 at 8 o'clock, 81 degrees at noon, and 86 at 5 p.m. It'll be a warm afternoon, but humidity levels will be on the rise. It looks like we'll be up to around 87 tomorrow for that high temperature. You can see how the readings this morning dropped down into the mid-50s at 6 o'clock and then rebounded quickly up to almost the 80-degree mark by the time we got to noon, and then up into the mid-80s at 5 and 6 o'clock. So our warmest temperatures of the day actually into the early evening hours. And also the humidity levels have been coming up a little bit. As I mentioned, there will be up around 87 tomorrow for the high, but check out the forecast highs. By the time we get to Tuesday, we'll be around 90 degrees with low 90s southwest of us. And on Wednesday, we're expecting those low 90s to make it up into our area too. Dew point values have been pretty low throughout the entire weekend, but creeping up today, especially late morning and into the early afternoon. Once it starts getting above 60, you really start to notice that humidity. And look at these numbers down towards Evansville and Paducah, Kentucky, around 70. And we get those kind of numbers up here as we head towards Tuesday and Wednesday. Combined with those high temperatures, we're going to see some pretty high heat index numbers too. Heat index values tomorrow will be up around 90, and that'll be at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Live Doppler 2 HD tonight, still showing the dry weather over us. We're expecting dry conditions tonight, but you know we can't rule out a passing shower or thunderstorm tomorrow. You can see a little bit of rain trying to get going to our west out over Illinois and Indiana, and even late night and into tomorrow morning the chance of a shower passing through, and during the peak heating of the day a little better chance of some of those scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. We had a high today of 86, our low temperature this morning down to 54 degrees with the normals at 80 and 61. Right now in Dayton, partly cloudy, 77. Wind out of the south-southwest at 7 miles an hour with our relative humidity 58%, and 77 degrees tonight over in Clark County and Springfield with light variable winds. Peak wind gust earlier today 21. Right now kind of sticky for you with a relative humidity at 66%. Our weather checkers calling in tonight. Jim Clark, Cedarville 74 degrees. Dennis Lowstetter a little warmer over in Jamestown at 77, but then we're looking at Bill Telsero right around 73 degrees. Heading over towards Kettering, Tom Wyckoff, or not Tom Wyckoff, but Tom Westendorf out in Kettering looking at a temperature reading of 75. Future track forecast model showing a little bit of green on the weather map, but any chances of rain pretty slim most of the night. But tomorrow morning and into the morning hours and afternoon, we can't rule out a shower or thunderstorm, but the story throughout the week will be the warmth and the humidity building across our region. It's going to feel a lot like summer as we go through the next several days. Tonight's forecast, partly cloudy skies down to 66, partly sunny tomorrow, a warm, humid day, that chance of a shower or thunderstorm as we get up to 87 degrees for tomorrow afternoon, 78 at 10 o'clock, 81 degrees at noon, and then those warm temperatures at around 5 o'clock along with humidity. Storm Team 2 7-day forecast, Tuesday's high 90 degrees expected. Look at that heat there on Tuesday up into the low 90s, low 70s for nighttime lows. Only some slight chances of rain Tuesday and Wednesday, and then our next cold front moves into the area Thursday and Friday. That'll start to jack up the rain chances again, bring temperatures down a notch or two, but at least for the first half of the week, it's going to feel a lot like summer.
You can't complain too much. All you have to do is think back to winter and those bitterly cold days in '92.
A lot of folks were looking forward to this.
Absolutely. All right. Thanks, Brian.